Alright, here's the 9x20 lathe with the Z-axis conversion. Actually, it's not assembled yet, but it will be shortly. And here's the newly completed X-axis. I've just got it hooked up to my drill right now for testing it, make sure it doesn't bind up or anything. Run it back and forth. You can see we got a little bit of extra travel here out of the X-axis. Hoping this will let us do a gang tooling arrangement. That's as far as it goes here. And that's as far as it goes back in the other direction. So we got about a ½ inch or so extra this way and about an inch or so the other direction.